Hey guys, and welcome to my new apartment. It's very weird to say that. But anyways, for those who are new, my name is Lisa. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new, be sure to subscribe down below. Like this video if you want to see more apartment, house things. Give it a like. But anyways, my name is Lisa. Today's video is going to be an empty house apartment tour. I hope you guys will enjoy. It's going to be super quick. Just a little background info. If you guys are new and you didn't know, when I was in college, I commuted for like 3.5 years, and I just decided not to stay at college. And so after I graduated, it was nice just to stay at home and save some money. You guys know the drill. Just was nice to save money, but it worked out now for me to get my own place. So I'm super excited to share with you guys this process of decorating, and just, I don't know, it'll be fun, and I'm glad to do it with you guys. You guys have been pretty excited. So today was a highly requested video, so you guys will be seeing just the empty house. Not anything too exciting, but if you guys do want to stay tuned, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I've been posting a lot of behind the scenes, so follow me on there. And anyways, let's get right on into the video. I will show you guys the empty apartment. All right, you guys, so here we are. This is my new apartment. So when you walk in the door, this is what you see. Super exciting, lots of white. Okay, but anyways, we'll start from the beginning. So when you walk in and turn it to the left, there's this little tiny coat closet, which is, sorry, that scared me. There was like a door on the other side that closed. But this is my little coat closet, and just lock the door just to make sure. All right, and then you come in this way, and then we have the kitchen, which is super nice. This is a brand new apartment, so all the appliances are brand new, which I'm super excited about. So I will be the first person to be using any of this. This farmhouse sink is super cute. You guys know that the little things make it so much better. Backsplash is pretty cool. A nice refrigerator, double doors. Holla. Awesome, I can fit all my yummy food in there. Microwave, stove, oven. Nice, cute little cabinets. You guys totally care about that. Anyways, we got dishwasher, all the exciting things. So I have a half bath in the downstairs. My downstairs is the kitchen, half bath, and then a living room. This is my moving look today, guys. Super chic. Anyways, ooh, we don't want that. All right, so we got the sink, cute little medicine cabinet, lots of storage, the toilet, and that's about it for the half bath. So that is to the left of the kitchen. And then this is going to be my cute little living room. So the kitchen and the living room basically are united. So I am picturing to do my couch here, and then probably a cute tall plant. Just picture it in your head. And then this is where my TV will go. So this is my couch, and this will be my view from my couch. So TV, and then I'm sure I'll put something right here eventually. I'm just trying to do it little by little. And then I have a bunch of cute, not a bunch, 3 cute bar stools that I bought for the island. I'm thinking for now, I'll just do the island chairs because it's just me. I mean, I'll have people come visit, but I think the couch and the chair, it's gonna be, I don't know. It'll be kind of tight, but it's just me, so this is like the perfect size. And then, so you come here, and then stairs up to my room. I've been moving and boxing stuff up and just packing all day, so I'm gonna be out of breath. Okay, so stairs from downstairs to upstairs, carpet. It's kind of, I don't know. It's not as bad as I thought. I was kind of bummed because I thought it was kind of like black and gray, but it's not too bad. I think we can spruce it up with some rugs. So once you get upstairs, I'm out of breath, guys. This is sad. But okay, so to the right is the master bath. Super cute. I'll just leave the lights off. It's probably better lighting. So double sinks, super awesome. Toilet, shower. I know it's kind of like silly, but I love the shower head, guys. I love that like waterfall. Okay, shower, toilet, double sinks, and then another little medicine cabinet. Super excited. And this is like super cute outfit. I'm sure you guys are thinking about some sort of like floral dress or something, but no. I also wear things like this. Okay, and this is my walk-in closet. It is pretty tall. The upstairs ceilings are lofted, which I really like. And okay guys, to preface this, my sister moved out of her room when she got married at my parents' house, and I took over her entire room for a closet. So this past week has been a purge of clothes. So I'm actually totally thinking that all my stuff will fit in here because it's pretty tall, so I could probably fit some racks. You guys will have to stay tuned for the next video to come after this when things are getting more decorated. And then in my closet, I also have the washer and dryer, which is super nice. Kind of nice to have in here so I don't have to just like, you know, take stuff downstairs. But anyways, that's the closet. It's actually more spacious than it looks. So that's nice. And then you just walk into the bedroom, just plain bedroom. I'm thinking about putting my bed here, and I don't have 2 TVs yet, but when I do, I could probably put it there. Just mount it on the wall. But anyways, I'm thinking my bed here, I have a king bed, so the bed's pretty big. So bed there, I have a desk. Maybe it'll go right there. You guys, I don't know yet. I don't know where anything's gonna go. We'll see. You guys will see. Stay tuned. And then in my room, I have this cute little area. And then you can see down the stairs, which is kind of cool, but also kind of freaky because, I mean, the ledge is pretty tall, so just hopefully no one sits on it. I won't let anybody sit on it. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is the empty house tour, super quick, probably not very exciting, but you guys, I'm super excited for this journey with you guys. So you guys will stay tuned. I'm sure you guys are staying tuned on my Instagram. Stay tuned on my Instagram story. And then once things get more decorated and put together, I will film a full YouTube video to show you guys the after. And then I'll also take some pictures and do a blog post and kind of just do like a before and after. I'm really excited, and I hope you guys are going to like these new, just kind of like more home decor, decorating. Okay, you guys, sorry my camera died during that last clip. But anyways, I'm really excited for you guys to be on this journey with me. It's super fun. It's a big step. It's a big life change, a big step for me. So I'm just really excited, and I'm excited to do it with you guys. I'm excited to show you guys everything that I'll be buying, the decor. I already have a lot of cool stuff in here. It's been a couple of days since I actually filmed the empty house tour. So there are some exciting and fun things, like some cool rugs, lots of cool appliances, just some cool stuff that you guys want to stay tuned for. As you can kind of see right over here, there's a lot of boxes, so stay tuned. But anyways, yes, stay tuned for a like full house tour with a lot of decorations. Again, like I said at the beginning of the video, be sure you're following me on Instagram to see a lot of behind the scenes and sneak peeks. And anyways, if you guys have any other house or apartment video recommendations that you do want to see during this process, be sure to comment down below, because I would love to know. I am not super experienced with doing like any sort of like decor, home stuff, blog posts, videos. So anyways, just give me recommendations down below, and I'm gonna stop talking now. So anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.